Tired of bulky tools weighing you down? What if a compact impact driver could deliver serious torque without tiring your arm? Today, I'm reviewing the Bosch PS42-02, a 12 volts impact driver that's compact, lightweight, and surprisingly powerful. If you're a weekend DIYer or a seasoned pro, stick around to see if this tool deserves a spot in your toolbox. Key features. The PS42-02 features an ultra-compact head at just 5.5 inches long and weighs only 1.6 pounds. That means less fatigue and better maneuverability. Perfect for tight spots. Don't let the size fool you though. It packs up to 975 inch-pounds of max torque, easily handling about 85% of fastening tasks you'll encounter on the job or around the house. You also get 2 speed settings with RPMs of 0 to 1,200 and 0 to 2,600, plus IPM ratings of up to 3,100. That's rapid-fire performance for quick, efficient driving. Powered by a 12-volt EC brushless motor, you can expect better runtime, improved efficiency, and longer tool life. And when you're working in dim areas, the 3 LED lights brighten up your workspace, and the included belt clip adds extra convenience on the move. Performance insights. In use, the PS42-02 delivers a smooth, consistent drive without kickback. It feels nimble and responsive, great for overhead applications or extended tasks. If you're assembling furniture, installing cabinets, or working on electrical panels, it handles like a pro. And thanks to the brushless motor, it's surprisingly quiet and cool under pressure. Literally. The thermal efficiency is a noticeable plus on long jobs. Pros: ultra-compact and lightweight, ideal for all-day use. Strong torque for a 12-volt class driver. Great battery life with brushless motor. Bright triple LEDs for visibility. Fast and efficient drive. Cons: not meant for heavy-duty lag bolts or structural work. Slightly higher price compared to other 12-volt models, comes with a plastic case. So, is the Bosch PS42-02 worth it? If you value compact size, high performance, and long-term durability in a cordless tool, absolutely. For medium-duty tasks and pro-level convenience, it hits a sweet spot. Looking to learn more or grab one for yourself? You'll find the product link in the description below to check out current pricing and availability. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.